Your grill is covered. Your generator may not be. Picture Friday night. Line around the block. Music pumping. Orders flying. You are in flow. Then the generator coughs. Lights fade. Silence. Food warms. Fridge warms. Customers leave. You call the carrier. They say not covered. Why? The generator was equipment, not part of the auto. The policy protected the truck, not the tools that move with it. That gap crushed a whole weekend of sales. Here is the fix that pros use. Inland Marine. It protects movable gear you rely on to make money. Generators, griddles, fryers, smokers, POA systems, tents, on the truck, off the truck, on site, in storage, and on the way. If it gets stolen, dropped, soaked, or smashed, you are not starting from zero. Pair it with your general liability and auto so the story ends in recovery, not regret. Ask your agent for scheduled or blanket limits sized to your rig. Keep receipts, keep serial numbers, keep photos, close the gap before the crowd arrives. Food trucks in TX, FL, AZ, NJ, MI, GA, CA, NC, ME, VA comment food. Protect the line, the lights, and the livelihood.